Okay, now I have to draw the shear force and bending moment diagram. So at first, for shear force, draw the beam and then take a baseline below the beam as AB, and take also a point C below the C of the beam, and add these points by dotted lines, and also take another baseline below the shear force diagram line, and also name as A, B and C, and add these points by dotted lines. So the first figure is the cantilever beam A, the figure B will be shear force diagram, and figure C will be bending moment diagram. So now starting from B, as the AB is 2kN, so at point B take some point equal to B. So this is 2, so this is 2, this is 2kN. That is in this line above B, take a some amount of value which represents 2kN, and as the value of shear force at C point is also 2, so take a point which represents 2, and as there is between point B and C there is no extra load, so there will, so this 2 point, the addition of this 2 point represents a straight line and parallel to the baseline. Okay, so at these 2 points it is also 2. It may be written at only 2. Here unit need not mention, not to be mentioned. Okay, now as from point C the load, there is a UDL is starting. Okay, and the point at point C, at point A, the value of shear force is 3kN. So take some point, some value equal to 3. Let this is 3. So this is 3. Now add these 2 points, this point and this point, as the according to rule there is an between point A and C there is an UDL present. So for UDL the shear force diagram will be inclined straight line. So this will be a straight line, but it will be a inclined straight line. It will be inclined straight line. This is the point actually. So this will be a inclined, this will be straight line, and this is also a straight line. And this will be the shear force diagram plus set this portion, this total portion. This is the shear force diagram. Now similarly take a baseline below the shear force diagram, and it will be AB, and there is a point C below the point C, and these both are baselines. Now as starting from B, MB is 0 and MC is 1kN, so take here 0 represent at B, and take this line one value which represents 1 kN per m, 1. So this is 1. Now as there is no extra load between B and C, so this so the bending moment diagram according to rule will be a inclined straight line. So add this line by inclined straight line, add this line by inclined straight line. Okay, according to rule, as there is no extra load between these 2 points. B is no load. Actually, bending moment is 0, and at the point C, bending moment is some value. So there is no load between these 2 points. So according to rule, the bending moment diagram will be an inclined straight line. And as the value of MA will be minus 3.5 kN, so take some value equal to 3.5. Let this will be 3.5. Now, as there is UDL is acting between A to C, so according to law, the addition of A and C, addition of this point and this point will be a parabolic curve, which I said before AB classes. Okay, this will be negative, so this will be a parabolic curve. And set this portion. This is the bending moment diagram, and this will be a parabolic curve. So this is the shear force calculation. This is the bending moment calculation. This is the shear force diagram, and this is the bending moment diagram. So that's all for today.